Hello, welcome again to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to have a look on using filter in JOSM. So basically, we are going to see on how to activate the filter, also on how we can perform the different operations using the filter tool in JOSM. So if you're familiar with JOSM has got so many tools that we use in our day-to-day activities or while mapping. So the filter mode uh, actually allows us to select or show only certain objects on JOSM based on key and value on OpenStreetMap. So there will be no need to look at the entire dataset. While using the filter tool, we can just look at a specific data or a specific object on the entire dataset. To get started, I am going to download sample data that I'm going to be using while demonstrating on how to use the filter tool. Get started, I'm downloading the data from the OpenStreetMap server. This is the sample of the data that I'm downloading. I am just leaving everything in default, and it will just take a few minutes and my data will be downloaded. So this is the data that has been downloaded. As you can see, it is quite a large data set. So for instance, to get started on how to activate the filter tool. So I have to come here on the window section, and I come here on the filter. I just select that, and the filter tool just activates. Here there are some few functions that you can use. You have the E, that is the enable. You have the hiding filter. You have the text. You have the inverse, as well as we have the filter mode. So if I want to filter out the buildings from the entire dataset that I have just downloaded, I just come here on the plus sign, and this window will just show up, and I just use the key for building. I just select the building, and equals to all. Star sign implies all if we just want to select all buildings. So I just click submit the filter. There it goes. The buildings have been filtered out from the entire dataset. What you can do here, if we just want to see the inverse of what has been selected, we just select here on the I inverse. Here it comes that, okay, these are the buildings that has been filtered out from the entire dataset. If you click here again, you just see it disappears while it remains fainted. Also, what you can do, you can also use this H to hide. So here I have just hidden all the buildings, and I can just perform some editing or whatever in this data that have just remained here. Or the other way around, I can just, if I do the inverse, I will just see only the buildings and all the data. The rest of the data have been just filtered out. And here, it just shows the number of the dataset that has been hidden. Once again, you can use more than one expression for your, if you want to filter more than one, if you just want to filter more than one object from the entire dataset, For instance, if I want to select the building as well as the roads or the highway, I come here on the plus sign, and I just enter the key for building, equals to all, and I just enter. I just type this sign like the and then I just enter highway equals to all, and then I just submit the filter. There it goes. So I just to get what I have just written here, I just deactivated the first one, and then I can just see what I have just filtered out using this expression. This is what I've just filtered out. These are the buildings. So these ones are the roads. If I just select this one, you can just see this is not the highway. Yes, this is not the highway, but this is the boundary. This is the boundary. Okay, so we are good, and our filter just works fine. Also, you can do the other way around. You can just hide all the data set and remain with the one that has been filtered out, or you can just do the inverse of it, and then you can see the buildings, also the roads, where other data sets have been selected out. You can also do for highways. Okay, let us do for highways. Highway equals to all. Okay, so I just select out this one. Okay, as you can see, highway. Okay. As you can see, this is the data that has been filtered out from the entire data set, and I can just use the inverse of it to see. You see, this is the inverse of what I've just selected. Also, I can decide to hide everything, and then I just, here I remain with only the highways or the roads. So if I'm just printing out these roads, I can just start from here and all the way up. So basically, this is how you can use the filtering tool on how, if you just want to be systematic and if you don't want to cause more problems or more errors to your data. So this will be the end of it. This will be the basic to guide you through when you start using the filters. So to read more about where you can get the filters, you can just go through the hot OSM pages or the weak pages. There are quite enough explanations on how you can just get more on the filters, as well as on how you can do the more advanced filtering from this one. If you like this section, please like, share, and let me know on the comment section what you'd like to learn in the coming sessions. Thank you.